Page 264, Song. Bartók, his harmony was a little different. Some people like it, some people don't. I'll leave that up to you. Let's go through it. It's 1 page long. Treble and treble clef. Both staves are treble clef. No sharps or flats in the key signatures, so typically we'd expect it to be C major or A minor. However, you got to watch out with Bartók. He could have done something else. But as far as the scales and arpeggio goes, do C major and A minor. All right. 2/4 time signature. Let's take it one hand at a time. Again, I want a fingering that lets me connect things. So right hand, 1 and 2, 1 and. Well, so much for the right hand. Left hand. Left hand's got a 2/5. If you don't fit up in here, you can't do that very well. In which case, you switch it. You go here. It's 1/5, a 5/1, and then a 3/2. I don't know how big your hands are, so you have to adjust for you. But otherwise, this is fine if you can reach it. Just make sure you get these notes down at the same time. Again, I'm lowering the weight down. I'll let the weight come down. Raise the wrist a little bit, lower the wrist. Boom, boom, boom. So do the boom bombs right. However you finger it, doesn't matter. To me, just get them down. And the third line down. Let's start with measure, 15? You're here. Now, if you're here, slide off. And then here. And I do a 5/1. I'm just trying to connect the notes. I mean, the fingering in the book is fine. They want a 2. I can't connect the notes if I do that. So I do a 3/2 and then a 5/1. This is measure 17 here, and then a 5/1, and then a 4/2. So I can connect the notes. You're saying, well, this is very awkward and weird. Well, welcome to piano playing, because sometimes it is. Sometimes the fingering is just not real comfortable. Well, tough. This is what we have to do. This is what we have to put up with sometimes in order to connect the notes. But if you would do it, it'll make you a much better pianist, because your fingers will be used to the weird stuff. And then when you're sight reading and things get weird, yeah, you'll be right at home with that. I speak from experience on that one. Now, put the hands together and see what we get. That's pretty much it until you get down to third line. Measure 13. And measure 15. You're tied and you hold the right hand down. The left hand down, play the right hand, and then you're tied into the last 2 measures and the left hand plays, and the right hand's tied. So we got a lot of tied notes going on there. Okay, fine. It's playing with the harmonies. It's playing with the sounds going on. And once I have an idea of the fingering and the rhythm and all that, then I'll go through carefully and get rid of any hesitations, and then I add the articulation. This is very connected. I'm tempted to play all of that. The first 8 measures or so is one long connected phrase. Yeah. You can't connect the repeated notes, but you pretend you can. Marcato there, measure 8. Marcato, play it loud. It's a strong accent. Not as strong as a sforzando, but a marcato is marked accent. You do that some more. Okay. That's pretty much the articulation. Dynamics is going to be here. This, in my opinion, needs to be very soft. And they put in a swell. Go to here and back off. There and then back and do it again. About a moderately soft. Don't get loud. Softer. I'm very very soft here, except the marcato is going to be sort of soft because it's got to last for 2 measures. And then you're soft, you do it again. Okay. At the bottom of the page, there is a very soft, because you've gotten softer, the diminuendo down to very soft. And smorzando simply means die away. Slow down, die away, do whatever you got to do. You're fading out. I would prefer you not use soft pedal because that changes the tone. And unless you want that change in the tone, don't. I mean, on a grand it does. And on an upright or electronic, maybe it doesn't, although you may not have a soft pedal with that. But even on electronic, there at the end when you're here, and the last 2 minutes, once you get to here, you can hold all these notes down with one hand and then use the other hand to gradually turn the volume down if you needed to. There. You're not dying away completely, you're just dying away. So don't die, just get close, I guess. I'm not sure. At the beginning, you see the P and then a dolce. Dolce means sweetly. So do this sweetly. Let's play this together slowly. Well, it is slow anyway. Andante, 1, about where I've been going. Just a nice leisurely pace. I'll give us 2 counts. Ready, and go, and. One and 2 and. One and 2. One, 2, 2, tie, 2.